Hello everyone, my name is Abubaker Saleem and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about pointers in C language. Pointers are variables that can store the value of another variable. Pointers can be of any data type. We can use pointers to store the address of any other variable, which means that now that pointer variable is pointing to that variable. In a C program, we can create a pointer using a static symbol. You can see in the example that we have used int static p is equal to ampersand I. In this example, you can see that p is an integer pointer and it is storing the address of I variable, which is also of integer data type. So we can say that P will store the address of I. So we can, and P is pointing towards I. So pointers are basically used to just point to a variable that is present in the memory. We'll discuss examples to understand more about pointers. So let's get started. So first thing that we are going to discuss about pointers is type of pointers. So there are different types of pointers. We can create character pointer like this. We can create integer pointer and we can create floating point pointer. Whatever type of address you want to store, you can use that type of pointer. First thing. Secondly, pointer will always be pointing to a variable. And how can we initialize a pointer? We will learn now. So first let me remove this and let me create a variable and I'm going to name it number and I'm going to store a value of 5 in this variable. The second thing is we are going to create a pointer and we can create a pointer by using this star operator and I'm going to name this variable pointer. The rules for naming a pointer is same as rules for naming variables. So you have to remember those as well. So after naming the pointer, I am going to assign it a value. So now let's suppose I want to point this pointer to the number. Now you can see there is an error. Pointer is basically a variable that stores the address that we have studied in the introduction. So in order to remove this error, we will use address operator. So now you can see that pointer is storing the address of this number. Now let's suppose I want to print the address of this number, and for that I'll be using the address of number is equal to percentage x. Percentage x is the format specifier that is used for printing the value in hexadecimal. And we know that in computer addresses are mostly represented in hexadecimal. So let's say the address of number is equal to percentage x. And first we are going to print this. And then we are going to print the value of p to check either the both values are same or not. So here we are going to write pointer. And now when I will run the program, you might get confused. So let shift to the next line using new line. So now you will see the output. The address of the number is equal to 4FD38, and the address of the second number is also 4FFD38. It means that pointer is storing the address of the number, and the address of the number and the value of pointer both are same. One more thing that I have to do here is I'm going to change this to pointer so that you can understand this. Now let's see what value this pointer contains. So the value of number is %t. Now we are going to print the value, and you will see that when we will print a number, 5 will be printed because 5 is the value of that number. And when we will write pointer, the value will also be same as this number. So let's change this, and we will delete this, and we will write star pointer. So this is the way to print the value of the pointer. If you want to print the address of the pointer, you just have to write the name, and if you have to print the value, or if you want to assess the value, you will write star, and after that you will write the name of the variable. So now when I will run the program, the output will be printed. Let's just change this new line. I almost forget this new line. And now when I will execute the program, you'll see the output in a different way. The address of number is AFFB88, which is same to the pointer value, and the value of number is 5. The value of pointer is also 5. So in order to print the address, we can either use pointer or we can use an address operator. And to print the value, we can use pointer and we can use number. Both are same. One more thing. Let's say we print the address of uh, pointer. There is percentage X, and here I'm going to put let's just change this message. The address of pointer let's change this to the address that pointer contains. That pointer contains. And let's move to the next line. Now when I will run the program, now you will see that on the fifth line, the value is different. Its address of pointer is 9AF9CC. So this is the address of this pointer variable. Now you do not have to confuse this pointer variable with the value of pointer. The value of pointer is different and the address of the pointer is different. It is present in the memory in a different memory location. Number is present in a different memory location. Pointer is pointing to that number, so it contains the address of that number, but the address of pointer is different. So that's how a computer program works, and that's how pointers work in C language. I hope that you have understood the concept. If there is any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel and please like the videos that I share. Thank you so much.